Yeah.
Oh, we got a Chiefs fan in here. You a Chiefs fan? Sir. Yeah, that's what's up, my boy. That's who we really need to be talking to. Patrick Mahomes, we gonna go to the Super Bowl, ain't we? Hey, Tyreek Hill and them, that's crazy. Yeah. It's like sometimes we just walk around, why you say that?
Put your Chiefs chain on.
No, it ain't even about that. I'm just saying sometimes we just walk around talking to people for no reason and we know what's going on. And, I mean, yeah, Patrick is the guy. Tyreek, and they was tripping off Tyreek leaving and shit. Oh, damn. Man, y'all got blew up by the Jaguars. You should be going for us. Nah, but that's crazy. Yeah, that he went back there and popped the perk. For sure. Yeah. Yeah. Come on, straight face.
Yeah, straight face, man.